Hey guys, and welcome back. Logic.com here to another video on small basic. And today I'm going to be teaching you about uh, boolean values of and or. Now, in my last video, I taught you about operators. Now, I taught you only about two operators, which are arithmetic and comparative. Now, there's a third type of operator, which is called logical operator. So there are two commands in this kind of operator, and or. Now, as you can see, I've written a little bit of code right here. So let me just explain it really quick. To explain it at right line, please enter the marks of the students in academics. I would be surprised if you wouldn't understand what that is after seeing all my videos till now. And even this little statement over here, read number, because the marks are numbers, and the grade of the student A, B, C, or D in read. Now, this is what you call a boolean value or logical operator. If academic marks are larger than 60 and sports grade is equal to A, then text window or right line the student is eligible for a prize. What this and really does is see, it does a logical computation and returns true if both inputs are true. So if even one of this will not be true, then the student isn't getting any prize. Let me just demonstrate really quick. Now let's keep it as 78, which is bigger than 60, and the grade is A. The student is eligible for a prize. But even if one, now let's do 56, even if one isn't true, the student isn't getting any prize. And this one, 76 and B grade, the student isn't getting any prize. Now this is what you call a boolean value, or uh, you know a logical operator. Now the second logical operator is called or. Now what or does is, it again does a logical computation and returns true if either one of the inputs are true. So even if one of these conditions are fulfilled, then it's gonna execute this. But if both are unfulfilled, now look at this, 56 smaller than 60, but as this one, if instead of or it would be and, it would like, see, one is, even if one is fulfilled, it's gonna show student is eligible for a prize. But what happens if both get unfulfilled? Well, I'm sure you would have guessed it. The student isn't getting any prize. Now, there's actually another last thing which I wanted to tell after and or. So this is the thing. Okay. Now after this, there's actually another kind of statement which I wanted to tell you, and that is called the else if statement, or the else if conditional statement. It is written inside a if statement. Now this statement is kinda amazing. If it wouldn't have been, our lines of code would have been miles long. Okay, so let's do this. A is equal to, let's go, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 10. Okay, now if A is equal to, let's go, then next window dot right line, we gotta go. Now when we use else if inside an if statement, else if actually means that we're taking another alternate condition within the if statement. Now else if B is equal to, now B is equal to 9, so let's take 10, then text window dot write line. I don't give a damn. Now else if again. Oh no. Oh yeah, else if itself. Else if c is equal to 10, then text window dot write line, just copy this up. I give a damn. Else text window dot write line. Oh wait, I'm sorry. After else is supposed to be in the next line. Write line. Wow. Now what this statement actually does is we're gonna check if, oh my god, that was a good mistake. If a is equal to let's go and it is let's go, then it's gonna print we gotta go. Else if b is equal to 10, then but as so it's not as b is not equal to 10, it's not gonna print I don't give a damn, and it's gonna go to the next statement of else if again. C is equal to 10, as c is equal to 10, it'll be written we gotta go, then I give a damn, and then else. I'm not sure if it will print else. Let's check it out. Actually no, I'm just finding you people to. As you can see, we gotta go is only getting printed. Now this, as I told you, that is not true what I told you. This is because the else if statement has a special property in which if this statement doesn't get fulfilled, this won't get either, and then this won't get either. Now if b is equal to 9, just one number less, we gotta go again. Nice. Wait. What did that happen for? But anyways, as you guys saw, now I'm gonna leave it to you guys to find out. I actually found out, but I leave it to you guys to find out in the and tell me in the comments below why that happened in that particular piece of code. Now else if is used as another statement in else. We all gotta know that now. So guys, now thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if this video was useful to you, and yeah, bye.